Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pablo DeFi token. Now the Pablo DeFi token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 23rd, on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is Pablo. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their white paper you can find at narcos-land.gitbook.io. They have a Telegram that you could follow that has 3,375 subscribers so far. You can find that at Pablo DeFi ETH. So that tells us right there this is an Ethereum token. And you can check out their Etherscan. It says they only have 2 holders so far. So this token is not listed anywhere yet. It's not even on Uniswap. So tomorrow is most likely their initial listing day period, because basically no holders so far. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 1 billion Pablo tokens. You can follow their Twitter, which I'm going to put up right here on the screen, that has over 4,000 followers. And on this Twitter right here, you will see that there is a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Their Twitter has a blue verified check mark, 172 tweets, and it says the address here is at narcosland on x.com, so go check that out. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 23rd at 11 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Pablo, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, tomorrow, January 23rd, 11 o'clock UTC time, it'll be live on Mexc. Now it says, in a world overrun by fleeting meme coins, Pablo emerges from the shadows. Tired of the hot potato game, the era of Pepe's dominance fades as Pablo, the unmistakable crypto narco, ascends to claim his throne. Now, this is not affiliated with the TV show Narcos, just so you know. This is just a meme coin paying homage to the TV show. This coin isn't just a symbol, it's a force of true utility and DeFi protocols with the unbridled power of Narcos memetics. Pablo embodies the crypto narco way, where utility, passive income, and a vibe that echoes through the underworld reigns supreme. Join the ranks of those who dare to defy the meme madness and let Pablo be your guide to a new era of greatness in the world of crypto. So, the Pablonomics, it says, in Pablo's world, a unique ecosystem unfolds where crypto narcos associates enjoy tax-free transactions when acquiring Pablo products. The tax rate ranging from 0% to a maximum of 10% is determined by Pablo's mood and the protocol's profitability for the cartel. Those deemed traders diverting profits to rival turfs face the higher end of the spectrum, a percentage of tokens is associated to presale and liquidity pools, with 5% reserved in a multi-sig wallet for future centralized exchange listings. Another 5% is set aside for the development team, subject to a 180-day lock. The remaining tokens find their way to bridges and liquidity pools, ensuring transparency in the allocation process. The financial underworld operates seamlessly, guided by the whims of the Pablo token and the prosperity of the cartel, with a total token supply of 1 trillion tokens. Now they have a roadmap on here. It says, here is a sketch of Pablo's tokens takeover of the DeFi world. And to kill the memes, remember when Pablo promises, he delivers. Now, starting with phase 1, the origin phase, is build the Telegram bot. So they do have utility here, and we'll get to that in a second. There's a whole utility section on their document section here. We'll talk about that. So first one, they say build a Telegram bot, build the Pablo cartel, which basically means, social media followers and holders. Build auto leverage trading, token creation, staking protocols, huge pre-launch marketing, then a pre-sale, token launch on Uniswap, 5,000 holders. Then phase 2, the rise phase, integrating 2 additional Autobots, V2 Tele Pablo, listing on 3 central exchanges, DeFi cross-chain protocol, Pablo Mexc, marketing push, release an NFT collection, community partnerships, 10,000 holders. Phase 3, the glory phase. Pablo takes over with Pablo NFTs parties for the members, Pablo merch, DeFi protocol, Pablo Autopad, Narcos land, presenting new ecosystems, 100,000 holders, and then mixing DeFi products and cross-chain protocols. So on their paper here, their Gitbook, they have different sections. The first one is Tele Pablo. So it says Tele Pablo is a groundbreaking tool for trading Telegram communications. It has a suite of features, so you'll be able to check that out. And also, I don't think these are available yet. Maybe some are on the webpage, but it seems like these are just, in the roadmap somewhere. And this token isn't even really live yet. It only has 2 holders. So then they're going to have a Pablo shooter, which is going to be, it seems like a revolutionizing the landscape of leveraged cryptocurrency trading, a powerful tool for trading activities ranging from 2 times to 10 times, strategically utilizing borrowed funds. So you can check that out, leverage trading. And then they have the Sniper, which is a state-of-the-art bot for pre-sale sniping and fair launch. Then they have revenue sharing as well. And they also have the Pablo Pad, which seems like it's going to be a launch pad. And then there's going to be Narco Land, which is going to be a game, a crypto game. And then they're going to have NFTs. So you can check out all their sections about that on narcos-land.gitbook.io. They also have all their socials over there. They have an easy guide of how to buy, all sorts of stuff. Check out the full link tree right here on this Twitter as well. And check out all the referral codes down there in the comment section, referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token is being listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that join button if you want to help support the channel. And thanks for watching. Have a great day out there. Peace out.